Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how is you going today? I hope you're all in good condition. Well, meet again with me. My name is Ayuban Nurida. I'm from B class of 2023 student of English Department of State University of Madura. Well, in this opportunity, I would like to explain you about noun clause. Noun clause is a clause or subordinating conjunction or noun clause or clause that functions as a noun in a sentence, either a subject, object, or complement. For the first is the subject, when the noun clause becomes subject of the sentence. So for the formula is a subject conjunct subordinating conjunction plus statement plus subject plus verb or noun clause. For example, when State University of Madura will be Islamic University of Madura have not been informed. When is a subordinating conjunction, State Islamic Institute of Madura will be Islamic University of Madura is a statement. So the subject of the sentence is when State Islamic Institute of Madura will be Islamic University of Madura have not been is the linking verb of be to be, and inform is a verb. Then object is the when the noun clause will become object of the sentence. So the formula is a subject plus verb plus sub-conjunction plus statement or a noun clause. Because noun clause become object, so it's called as noun clause plus subject. For example, is my father told me what will he do. So my father is a subject, told is a verb, me is a subject. What will he do is a noun clause. What is conjunction? Will what he will do. Sorry, it's wrong. Because the statement is not reason. So the word is what he will do, not what will he do, because it is a statement, not condition. So what he will do is a noun clause or as object of the sentence. The other example is I don't know why Veronica lost me. I is the subject, don't know is the verb, don't is be or linking verb, and know is verb. Why Veronica loved me is a noun clause or noun clause that consists conjunction plus statement. So the object for the sentence is why Veronica loves me is the object of the sentence. And then complement, when the noun clause appear after linking verb of a sentence. So the formula is a subject plus linking verb or be plus subordinated conjunction plus statement or noun clause. For example, my favorite food is what Salah likes. My favorite food is subject, is linking verb or be, and what Salah likes is noun clause that consists conjunction plus statement. And then for the subordinating conjunction that you can use is like what, where, you, what, where, how, when, why, although, that, and many things. I think that's all for me, my explanation about noun clause, and our necessary if there are any requests. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.